Hi friends, if you are preparing for FSO or FSSAI or whatever related to food science and technology, this channel will provide you the notes. In this video, we are going to learn the basic definitions related to food science and technology. Our first definition is homogenization. Homogenization refers to the process of forcing the milk through a homogenizer with the subject of subdividing of fat globules. You can observe this image where the feed is passed through the homogenizer and finally the fat globules are divided into very smaller particles, and the aim of the homogenization is to divide the fat globules from a larger particles to very small particles. And the next definition is standardized milk. The standardized milk means the fat content should be maintained at 4.5% and the SNF is 8.5%. SNF means solid not fat, and it is prepared from the mixture of buffalo milk and skim milk. And do you know the skim milk? Okay. From a milk, cream is separated and the remaining milk is called skim milk. Next, the standardization image can be observed here, and the next definition is toned milk. Toned milk is prepared by mixing reconstituted from the skim milk powder with buffalo milk containing 7.0 fat content. Here the reconstituted, the word is used in the sense where the skim milk is prepared from its powdered form. And next, the fat content of toned milk should not be less than 3% and the SNF is 8.5%. And next, in the next slide you can observe the image of toned milk. Usually we use that milk Amul. And the next definition is double toned milk. This milk is prepared by the admixture of cow or buffalo's milk. Here the admixture is used in the sense where the something is mixed with the another. So here for the preparation of double toned milk, the cow or buffalo milk or the both cow and buffalo's milk are mixed with the fresh skimmed milk, or there is another process that is that cow or buffalo's milk to the skim milk powder, or by the partial removal of this buffalo or cow milk, or by the addition of this buffalo or cow milk to the skim milk. It should be pasteurized and shows negative phosphate test. Generally, why do we do this phosphate test? To know the efficiency of pasteurization, and its fat content should be less than 1.5% and SNF, solid not fat, should not be less than the 9%. And in this slide I just simplified the double toned milk for better understanding, and in the next slide you can observe the image of double toned milk. And the next definition is recombined milk. The recombined milk is defined as it is a homogenized product. In the beginning of this video we see what is homogenization, and this recombined milk is prepared from milk fat and non-milk fat solids and water. We prepared this recombined milk from the three ingredients, and it should be pasteurized and show a negative phosphate test, and its fat content should be less than 3% and solid not fat content should be 8.5%. And the next definition is sterilized milk. Sterilized milk is defined as milk which has been heating to temperature of 100 degrees Celsius or above for such length of time, it remains fit for human consumption for at least 7 days at room temperature. By the application of heat, the microorganisms are inactivated or killed to remain fit for some extent for the consumption of human. Thank you.